Well, good morning, guys. Another beautiful day today. It's a little bit overcast right this morning, but it is a beautiful day. And so, yeah, lots happening already this morning. I got the tire dropped off for the tractor. That's why I got the tractor back there. So that's at the tire shop getting fixed at the moment. And they said it would probably be an hour or so. It's really busy on a Monday morning. But then I got a call from my electrician, and he's coming out to check out my work here and see if it's all ready for inspection or not, if I need to change something around. So he's going to come here really soon, and so we'll get that done. So that's really exciting. I was thinking about what am I thankful for this morning? Because I want to, it's good to think about the little things sometimes, but it's also good to reflect and think about the big things that you're thankful for. And so today it's kind of a big one for me. And mine is this morning that I'm thankful that I had great parents. Both of my parents passed away a couple years ago now, but they were together for 45 years. And they weren't perfect by no means. No parents are. I'm not perfect as a dad to my children, but I really am thankful for them, and I really miss them. But I'm thankful that they had a strong marriage, and 45 years together. They were together until they passed, and they passed about 9 months apart. Anyway, let me know, you guys, today what you're thankful for. Well, guys, good news. The electricians came out and took a look at my box here. They said everything looks great. So they're going to call in for an inspection, get this hopefully taken care of. Everything looks good, they said, with my ground rod, with everything. They said there's no reason that this thing shouldn't just dance through an inspection. So I take that as a compliment. So that's great news. So hopefully they can get that called in soon. We can get this inspected soon. I can cover it back up. Also, and other good news, I got my tractor back together. Got the tire fixed. They said, yeah, something went in and punctured the inner tube, but that's all it was. So I had to get a new tube put in. So I got that back up, got it pulled up here to the door, and got a fresh load of dirt on it. This is looking pretty good in here, boy. I got this back area all pretty nice and level across there. And then I even finished out this corner pretty good here. This one still needed a little work. So pretty much all that's left here is right under those blocks there, under that water heater. But I would say as a whole, besides a little fine tuning, this is looking pretty nice in here. All right, guys. Well, hey, appreciate you following along, and we'll see you tomorrow for more updates. Have a good night, guys.